What's up, guys? As you can see, it's a different style of video. Today I'm just gonna do a little chill vlog, I guess. Do some stuff at the shop and do some mods to the 240. Bam. In frame. Check it out, guys. Bang. She's on the lift. As you can see, got my downpipe right here. That is coming out today. Whoop whoop. Check that. Check that big mama jumbo out. Guys, check it out. So I let it go. Just gotta get my light and get that 50. 67. Короче, downpipe снимаем и другое ставим.
Downpipe. Горячо, что ты снимаешь?
Сейчас. Чтобы масло не попало. Вот и... О, вот она. Вау. Alright, check this out, guys. It's in. We're putting the last bolts on, and then we're gonna give it our first start. Oh, two sensors in. Let's start it. Keys are in it. No, you can do it. Wow, T-Pack. It actually opened up a little bit. It sounds insane now. Alright, guys, I don't know how to show. Hold on. 50% done already. I'm scared of it. Don't move, don't breathe, don't anything. Ну, 100% говорит. Coating. Да. Что, готов? Alright. Готов? Да. Я боюсь, бро.
Тихо, здесь надо аккуратно. Не знаю, где.
Не, летит, бро.
Давай. Ёб твою.
А?
Да?